You know, appreciate nature. Blessings, I'm out.
He is a talented singer, very, very humble youth. But you see the X Factor winner, Dalton Harris, him afraid of birds.
Okay. And I don't want to hurt it either. I've never hurt a thing.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get the alert. So people, Dalton Harris make we understand what are one of his fears. And one of his fears is one of God creations, birds. You understand? Well, nothing wrong with that, because we all have something we fear, though. But people, it was kind of dramatic, as you see a while ago. I'm going to show you exactly where go on. Dalton there home and him noticed this little bird was trapped. You understand? And Dalton being afraid of birds, him decide say, yo, I'm going to reach out to the fans for some assistance. So Dalton say, alright then, anybody who they can, you know what, I'm going to stop talk. Watch what go on for myself.
Okay. So, if there is anybody on this live that knows what to do, now would be a really good time to help you out, because this is literally making me nervous. Because it's a living thing, you know, and I don't want it to die, but I don't want to die of a heart attack by touching it either. I have this thing that I'm going to do birds bite?
Alright, so wait there. Dalton literally call the bird like a puss a while ago. Make we get back to the video.
It's hurt, like you can see that it's hurt. Yes, it is alive. It's not a bat, it's a bird.
But the next part of the video will get me now. Dalton decides to go in the kitchen and get something to touch the bird with, because I say, yo, you not touch it with him hand. So Dalton go in the kitchen drawer and go for this.
Do I use this to touch it?
So after I see him going in the kitchen drawer for that, me I say, wait there. And what Dalton going to do with that? A cookie bag go cook the bird? Make we watch.
It's moving. It is place a bowl of water near it. What will it do if I place a... I'm not going to eat the bird.
So somebody tell himself to put a bowl of water next to the bird. Me don't know what that did I go do still, but anyway, Dalton decided to get a bowl of water and go put beside the bird. For what?
Can't freaking save a bird. That's why he's single. Simple. Useless. Okay. Somebody said to get a bowl of water. I have no idea why. I need a bowl of water. What do I do with the bowl of water? Do I just put it?
And there he goes again with it. Dalton I get it confused, I confuse a bird with a cat. Yo, Jalo, Dalton, you're the greatest. Let's get back to it.
Ah! It's... oh god, that's creepy. Okay, fucking hell. Sorry. If it flies in this house, I swear yo, I'm moving out. It's alive, guys. So if you sit it next to it, it might drink some. Yeah, but the bird is stuck. I don't think it can move. And I definitely don't want to...
So the whole time we did thinking say a joke Dalton make, we come to the realization that Dalton was genuinely afraid of the bird.
Yeah. Because I don't want it to fly at me, because this is a balcony and I am really like, this is not funny, guys. I am very afraid of birds, extremely afraid of them, and I want to help the bird, but I don't want to die. I mean, not die, but whatever. Crap. Fuck it. It will not hurt you. And if I take it up, where do I do? Because I'm not going to just throw it over the balcony, because I have no idea if this bird can fly. Because if it could, then why would it still be there? You understand? Okay, even if I take the bird up, what do I do with it?
So him decide say I go draw back for him tool again and decide say yo alright then me I go make another attempt for free the bird and this is what Dalton do.
I'm gonna try and hold it or give it water. I don't have a shoebox. What is RSPCA? Call your local pest control. I just migrated to this country. I don't know any pests, anything. You know? Little birds. You can't sing to the bird. This is weird as hell, you know? 25-year-old man afraid of a bird.
And then Dalton got a little bit emotional because it is a living, breathing animal and it's trapped and Dalton feel like say him can't help the helpless animal that is actually stuck and would like to be freed. Jano style. I feel it for Dalton.
Birds fly, yo. Like, this is making me sad because I cannot help. I'm afraid of this thing. I'll maybe try to put water. Something's wrong, man. It's not moving. Oh, it's moving, but it's not. Oh, shit. Okay. Just put the water on the bird. If you use that iron, you might hurt him. I would be gentle about the thing. It is alive. The bird is alive. It's just, I feel like its feet are stuck. And, come on, man. Yo, is there anybody that knows a number to call for somebody to come get this bird, please? Could you type it on here? Because even if I take this bird up, what do I do with it? I can't just throw it over there because I don't know if the bird is able to fly or if its wing is hurt, you know? Why is it not walking? It
So out of nowhere, you know, Dalton decides say, I'm going to brave up and say, yo, I'm going to free up the bird, you know. But do birds bite?
Okay. This is not about me. This is about the bird that is probably hurt. This is not about... Do birds bite? That's not even it. What if this bird flies in the house and then I can't get it out, you know? Like, I can't live here anymore, obviously. And I don't want to hurt the bird. I'm definitely not going to leave it here because it gets really hot on the patio and it cannot move. Clearly it cannot move. Bianca, could you call concierge and tell them to come to my flat? I don't want to give them a flat number. Do you have their number? Could you call them? By the way, guys, Bianca is one of my managers. Could you call them and tell them there's a bird here? You know? And this is making me shake because obviously I'm telling you I'm afraid of birds. Like, not tigers, not deers, but birds. Okay. And I don't want to hurt it either. I've never hurt a thing.
Yo! People. Anyway, the bird got freed, people. Yes, and Dalton break off running at the house. You understand what I say? And the bird was at the patio. After that, Dalton Harris lock up himself in the house and don't know what to do after that until help eventually came.
Okay, so it's up. Shit, alright. Okay. Fuck. Shit. Okay, cool. Birdie is good. Birdie will have to fly away on Birdie's own, cause I am not fucking going back out there, okay? Birdie is strong, everybody. Yes, Birdie is strong. Good. But Birdie, you gonna have to live on that fucking balcony, cause I am not opening this shit. Ah, shit.
So people, help come and the bird is actually okay. So for all who was worried about the bird, no animals was actually harmed in the making of this video. I just don't want to say that. I always like it.
There goes Birdie. Look at this beautiful little beautiful thing, man.
Alright, Dalton Harris fans and Unstoppables, watching now one. This is the end of the video. You don't know what to do already. Like, share, comment, and definitely please don't forget to subscribe. This has been another one for Unstoppable TV. Watching a man, I gone. But before me leave, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.